Brad Hall here with a new take on the Yeezy 700. It is the 700 MNVN. It's a brand new silhouette. I'm gonna talk about that shoe and give you the 5 things you need to know. The Yeezy 700 MNVN, it is a model that we've seen photos of for a long time. It almost seemed like it would never come out, but it did come out. It's right here. And I have to say, it is an interesting model. It's the first Yeezy 700 with a lower price point, no longer $300. And then of course, this totally different upper. It's made of this lightweight nylon, and it's got a really sleek look, almost like a low top Batman-like shoe. The midsole has the exact same design as the other Yeezy 700s. And then it's also got Boost in it. Now what I wanted to give you with this shoe are the 5 things that you absolutely have to know about it. So let's get into that. The first thing I did when I got this shoe, I wanted to compare it to the Vanta 700 V2. Something I noticed right away, when you squeeze both of the midsoles, the Vanta pair is significantly softer. The MNVN feels very rigid, so maybe it's a different foam on this pair, something a little bit less expensive to get that price down. Not sure, but there is a definite difference. I was excited about this new model, wanted to see what it was like in person, but I wasn't that thrilled with this colorway. In person, it is definitely not that exciting, but it does get a lot more interesting when you put a flash on and take a photo of it. It looks like a totally different shoe. That 700, it just pops on the side. Way more interesting with a flash on it. The 700 V2, that is ortholite. There is of course an ortholite difference. It's very comfortable, and you can see it's pretty thick. The MVMN, it is a lot thinner, non-ortholite. That might have been another cost-saving measure. So you're not getting as nice of an insole in this. So keep that in mind. It might affect comfort. It looks a lot better on foot. Without a foot in it, it's kind of like this empty trash bag. Just doesn't have that nice of a shape. But on foot, that all goes away. Your foot fills out that upper, makes it look a lot nicer. This is a really big one. Gone are the traditional laces. On it is this kind of bungee-like cord that's all one piece. There's no way to tie these shoelaces, so if you want to tighten it up, make it more than just kind of a slip-on shoe, you're gonna have to use a lace lock. My recommendation for a lace lock, something I picked up at Home Depot, just a simple, strong, sturdy clamp that's gonna hold those laces nice and tight. Make sure you get the fit that you really crave. Those were the 5 things you have to know about the 700 MNVN. Thanks for watching.